Okay, apparently this is part 2. I thought it was over, and just 15 seconds later they added again. Okay, there's a remote. Once again, it's now not even in the middle of the fight. These two niggas are just... okay, let me bag up before I get hit. Cam has the remote and pushes them off. Okay, I guess this is the end of round 2. I mean, is it over? Are we good this time?
Huh?
We good this time? It's over with?
Apparently not.
Apparently Corey is chasing Cam.
Oh, this man, duck, goof.
Round 3. Hold on. Fight to your position. Alright.
Oh, man.
Break.
Oh, bro.
As you see, these niggas are both tired as hell right now.
He.
Okay, well, the red nigga tired as hell right now. They both? Alright.
Oh, bro. Oh, bro.
Damn. Cam goes for the takedown. But I mean, Cam is super tired right now. Tried to go for a takedown and it did not work. Now he's trying to escape.
Y'all are not 9 and 10 years old anymore, man. Come on. Open a remote.
Cam trying to lock it out. Oh, Corey has picked up a phone.
Huh? Nah, everything out here, that cool. Good. Alright.
Alright, so apparently Cam say he through. And apparently we see who has the remote.